Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. Today we're diving into the world of protein powders, specifically comparing budget options that cost around $5 to premium choices that can go up to $50. With so many options available, it's essential to understand what you're getting for your money. Protein is a crucial part of our diets, supporting muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. But does spending more really mean better quality? In this video, we'll explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of both budget and premium protein powders. Budget powders may be more accessible, but they often come with questions about quality and taste. On the other hand, premium powders might offer superior ingredients and flavors, but are they worth the extra cash? Stick around as we break down the key differences, helping you make an informed decision that fits your lifestyle and budget. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to boost your protein intake, we've got you covered. Understanding protein powder. Protein powder is a dietary supplement designed to provide a convenient source of protein, essential for muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. It plays a significant role in fitness and nutrition, especially for those looking to enhance their workout performance or meet their daily protein needs. There are several types of protein powders available on the market, each catering to different dietary preferences and goals. Whey protein derived from milk is popular for its quick absorption and rich amino acid profile, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Casein, another milk-derived protein, digests more slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids, which is great for overnight muscle repair. For those following a plant-based diet, options like pea, hemp, and brown rice protein offer excellent alternatives, ensuring everyone can find a suitable protein source. Adequate protein intake is crucial not just for muscle recovery, but also for maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and promoting satiety. Understanding these aspects can help you make informed choices about incorporating protein powder into your diet. The $5 protein powder, pros and cons. When it comes to budget-friendly protein powders, the $5 options are incredibly appealing due to their affordability and accessibility. These products make it easy for anyone to incorporate protein into their diet without breaking the bank. However, while the price is attractive, it's essential to consider the quality of ingredients and nutritional value that often come with budget options. Many $5 protein powders may contain fillers, artificial flavors, and lower quality protein sources, which can affect their overall effectiveness. For instance, Body Fortress Whey Protein is a popular choice in this price range, offering a decent protein content per serving. However, it's crucial to read the label to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. While budget protein powders can be a great starting point, they may not always provide the same benefits as premium options. Balancing cost with quality is key, so weigh the pros and cons carefully to find the right fit for your fitness goals and dietary needs. The $50 protein powder, pros and cons. Premium protein powders, typically priced around $50, often come with a host of advantages that can enhance your overall experience. One of the most significant benefits is the higher quality ingredients used in these products. Many premium options prioritize clean protein sources, minimal fillers, and added nutrients, which can lead to better results in muscle recovery and overall health. In addition to quality, premium protein powders often excel in taste and mixability. Users frequently report that these products blend smoothly and have more appealing flavors, making them enjoyable to consume. For example, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey is a well-regarded choice in this price range, known for its delicious taste and excellent solubility in water or milk. However, the higher price tag can be a drawback for some, especially those on a tight budget. While the benefits of premium protein powders are clear, it's essential to consider whether the investment aligns with your fitness goals and dietary needs. Balancing quality with cost is crucial in making the right choice. Nutritional comparison. When comparing the nutritional profiles of $5 and $50 protein powders, several key factors come into play, including protein content, calories, and additional nutrients. Generally, premium protein powders tend to offer higher protein content per serving, often ranging from 20 to 30 grams, while budget options may provide around 15 to 20 grams. In terms of calories, budget protein powders can be lower, typically ranging from 100 to 150 calories per serving, but they may also include fillers and additives like artificial sweeteners, thickeners, and low-quality protein sources. In contrast, premium powders often have fewer fillers and may include beneficial nutrients such as BCAAs, vitamins, and minerals, enhancing their overall nutritional value. Taste test: $5 versus $50. In this segment, we're conducting a taste test to compare the flavors of both $5 and $50 protein powders. We've prepared samples of each, mixing them with water and milk to see how they hold up in different scenarios. Our goal is to provide you with honest feedback on flavor, texture, and overall enjoyment. As we dive into the tasting, we encourage our participants to share their thoughts candidly. Does the budget protein powder have a chalky texture? Is the premium option as delicious as its price suggests? We'll be looking for reactions to sweetness, creaminess, and how well each powder mixes. After sampling both options, we'll share viewer reactions and preferences to engage you further. Did the $50 protein powder win over the taste buds, or did the $5 option surprise everyone with its flavor? Stay tuned as we reveal the results and help you decide which protein powder might be the best fit for your palate and budget. User experience and reviews. In this section, we'll share user experiences and reviews of both budget and premium protein powders, providing insights into how they perform in real-life scenarios. We gathered testimonials from a variety of users who have tried both $5 and $50 options, allowing us to paint a comprehensive picture of their effectiveness and satisfaction. Common themes in user feedback revealed that many budget protein powder users appreciate the affordability and convenience, often noting that they still see positive results in muscle recovery and overall fitness. However, some users express concerns about taste and mixability, mentioning a chalky texture or artificial aftertaste. On the other hand, users of premium protein powders frequently highlight the superior flavor and smooth texture, with many stating that the investment is worth it for the quality. Notable differences in experiences include the perception of ingredient quality, with premium users feeling more confident in the nutritional value of their choice. Overall, these testimonials provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision based on real user experiences. Final thoughts. We explored the significant differences between budget and premium options, highlighting that while $5 protein powders are affordable and accessible, they may come with lower quality ingredients and taste. In contrast, $50 protein powders often provide higher protein content, better flavor, and fewer fillers, making them a popular choice for those willing to invest in their nutrition. However, it's essential to emphasize that personal preference and dietary needs play a crucial role in selecting the right protein powder for you. What works for one person may not work for another, so consider your fitness goals, taste preferences, and budget when making your decision. Ultimately, whether you choose a budget-friendly option or a premium product, the most important factor is finding a protein powder that aligns with your lifestyle and helps you achieve your health and fitness objectives. Comparing $5 and $50 protein powders, let's recap the main points we discussed. We examined the differences in price, quality, taste, and user experiences, highlighting that while budget options are accessible and affordable, premium powders often provide better ingredients and overall satisfaction. Remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and dietary needs. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends or anyone who might benefit from understanding the differences in protein powders. Additionally, we invite you to explore related content on this channel for more tips and insights on nutrition, fitness, and wellness. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources for you, so thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.